lecture. As you all know, we have started our chapter number 1, heating and cooling. In previous lectures, we discussed about the three methods through which heat can be transferred, and that are conduction, convection and radiation. Then we discussed about emitters and absorbers in detail. In last class, we discussed about the vacuum flask. In today's lecture, we will repeat that, and along with this, we will do question answers of this topic. So take out your science books and open page number 9. Today's topic is the vacuum flask. A vacuum or a thermosis flask can keep drinks hot or cold for hours. As I told before, यानी जो थर्मस फ्लास्क है उसका काम क्या है कि अगर आप उसमें ठंडा पानी डाल रहे हैं या कुछ ठंडी चीज़ डाल रहे हैं तो वो उसको घंटों तक ठंडा ही रखता है, और अगर कोई गर्म चीज़ डाल रहे हैं तो वो गर्म ही रखेगा. And why is that? Let's see. The flask has a number of features which reduce the rate at which heat flows in or out of it. उसमें यानी कि इस तरह से उसकी कॉम्पोजिशन होती है, ऐसा उसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है so that it cannot allow heat energy to pass inside or to go outside. So what are these things? Number 1 is the stopper, which is basically a cap of this thermos flask. It reduces heat loss. Reduces means कम करना. The stopper reduces heat loss by convection and conduction. So जो stopper का काम है वो convection और conduction के process के through heat को बाहर जाने से prevent करता है, रोकता है, reduce करता है, कम करता है. Number 2 is the space between the walls has the air removed, which is called vacuum. As you can see, this is the space between the walls. So the vacuum is created because all the air has been removed in this area. So heat loss by convection and conduction is reduced. So conduction is basically a process which allows solid materials to pass through them, and convection, it happens only in liquids and gases because particles are free to move and it always plays in the upward direction. Number 3 is the silver lining. So the silver lining of the walls reduces heat loss by radiation. The silver lining is usually made up of aluminium and it helps to reduce यानी कम करने में मदद करता है heat loss के. Now, did you know the vacuum flask was designed and invented by a Scottish scientist? So एक Scottish के scientist था, his name was Sir James. He designed the vacuum flask in 1892. The Thermos company was the first to mass produce vacuum flask for everyday use. यानी Thermos company थी जिसने सबसे ज़्यादा mass production की थी vacuum flask की, ताकि हम उसको daily life में use कर सकें. Now, what are the main features of a thermos flask? As you can see in this picture, that's how a thermos flask looks like. It is versatile, that means it has different varieties. It is convenient, that means it is easy to handle, and stylish. You can choose your thermos flask of your own style. Keeps your drinks insulated for up to 8 hours, यानी 8 घंटों तक आपकी ड्रिंक को insulated रखता है, यानी उसको फर्दर ठंडा या गर्म होने से रोकता है. Saves needing a portable kettle. Portable means that things which we can take place from one place to another. And kettle, as you know, the kettle needs electricity. So kettle का purpose क्या है? हमारे पानी, liquids जो भी हम चीज़ उसमें डाल रहे हैं उसको गर्म करना. So the thermos flask doesn't need electricity. It saves the need of a portable kettle. And it is well priced and available in a variety of colors, so you can choose your own favorite color. So in previous lecture we discussed about this diagram. This is basically a vacuum flask's internal structure. So a silvery glass wall is present which prevents the heat loss by the process of radiation. This is the cap, this is the support of the flask, and this is the outer cover. Now today we will also do textbook question answers which are given on your page number 9. Question 1 is, suggest why the vacuum flask is commonly called a thermos